Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a stack circle coffee table. Okay, first of all we have to make a circle, then we can place on this with maybe around 400 radius. Okay, so then we can push it up just a little bit around 100 millimeter. Okay, and then we can move it and duplicate it, and then we can move it to the upper position and duplicate it. Okay, so we can enlarge the top table itself anyway. Okay, something just like this, and then we can select all, and so then we can select a synthetic surface, then we can place it, or maybe we can choose the another color of this middle circle table to make it more dynamic appearance. Okay, I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you by this video, and just wait for my next video in this channel, and please write a commenter if you wanna ask to me about the modeling or many more about the 3D modeling. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.